What's going on, guys? It's me, Tim, and in this video I wanted to go over Voyager and some recent news here, some dates to be aware of. We do have another update. It seems we get this news that the deal's going to go through, and then we get a halt by either the SEC or the DOJ, and it's just been going like this for months. Of course, we had the FTX fallout, and it seems like there's no end in sight for Voyager and for us getting our money back. But in this one, I'm going to go over VGX on the chart. We're going to briefly look at Bitcoin, and then we're going to go over these upcoming dates that you need to be aware of. So the judge that put this deal on hold, Jennifer Reardon, set a swift deadline to resolve the Voyager issue, with the government asked to send its brief by April 7 and a response by Voyager due by April 18th. And I'll leave this article down below for you, but it basically goes over how this district judge put this deal on hold but wants to expedite the appeal to avoid too much of a delay. And the issue here is it's argued that this contract with Binance and Voyager rendered Voyager immune by exculpating it from breaches of tax and security law. However, Jennifer Reardon said that government arguments have gone entirely unrebutted by Voyager and its creditors, neither of which has provided any authority for the proposition that a bankruptcy court can release criminal liability. And we did hear this same gripe before. The judge, Michael E. Wiles, dismissed this whole issue, saying that there is no immunity for Voyager or for Binance, and the government, the SEC, the DOJ is kind of manipulating things here. And you know, there's a very important case for crypto because it can potentially set precedent on future cases. So that to me is why they're constantly objecting this deal. They're trying to buy themselves some time, and you know, the government is really trying to see what direction they want to go with crypto. But I personally think the clock is ticking here, and as this bankruptcy continues to get delayed, it's less money that the Voyager creditors are going to receive, me and you. But let me know how you feel down below. I'm definitely itching to get my money back and for this whole deal to be over and finally go through. To me, it really seems that SEC and DOJ cared nothing about us, the people that are actually owed the money, and their real effort here is to try to just stop this deal, because this deal going through could set the tone for future bankruptcies and what's a security, what's not a security, and things of that nature. And looking at Voyager, same old, we just got this like tightening pattern we've been seeing. We're kind of working our way into the 40-cent range before we finally see either a breakout or a breakdown, and a lot of this likely depends on this deal, if it actually goes through or doesn't go through. So it's a very polarizing catalyst here. It's either all or nothing in my eyes. And one thing to think about is once this deal does go through, I think it's very likely that people that are stuck with VGX are going to finally sell. I'm sure there is a lot of selling pressure, and people that have been holding their VGX are looking to finally get out, take that tax loss, and move on with life. In my eyes, there are a lot of better altcoins out there that are way less risky and actually have some use cases currently. But let me know if you think I'm wrong about VGX and if they have some great future use case coming with Binance. And looking at Bitcoin, we're still hovering in the 28, 27, 29,000 range, just consolidating, and I think this is very good. The RSI is starting to reset, and as we consolidate, this gives us a good chance to get a nice breakout to the upside, a nice run instead of becoming quickly overbought and then just pulling back and crashing hard. What I want to see is a slow stair step up, because a lot of times with Bitcoin what happens is we get a huge spike and then most, if not all of it, gets taken back. But I do think we're starting to see a shift in the market. We have been recently seeing nice spikes, and they have actually been maintained. We have tested some previous levels, tested the 200 MA. I think personally we can come back down, test the 50 MA, right around 26,000 or so, before we push higher. But to me, things are still looking really good. And I see any pullbacks on Bitcoin as an insanely great buying opportunity as we head into the next halving. But let me know what you guys think about both Bitcoin and Voyager VGX. To me, it just seems that this deal is never going to get done with, and I'm frankly sick of it. And the thing with this bankruptcy is time is of the essence. As this continues to get delayed, as it continues to get pushed out, it's more money that judges get, more money that lawyers get, and that is not good for any of us that have our money locked up into Voyager. But I do suspect we're going to get some news really soon here in April, and we're going to see if the SEC or the DOJ has any leg to stand on here and actually has anything useful to say, any real reason this deal shouldn't go through. I think these judges are getting sick of the SEC and DOJ constantly delaying this, and personally, I'm sick of it as well. But thanks as always, guys. Keep an eye on April 7 and April 18th, as there's definitely going to be news around those dates. But thanks for watching, guys. Sorry I haven't been posting as many videos. It's been a pretty busy week for me, but I should be getting back to daily videos very soon. Thanks as always, guys, and I'll see you later.